Dear students, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. Here I am Chilisha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Moniship. Student, today I am going to take an English language class for the student of class 2. Now our today's topics is regular and irregular verb. Students, in previous class we discussed about simple past tense, but today we'll do some exercises on the basis on irregular and regular verb. Let's get started. Look at the blackboard. Here are some examples of regular verbs and irregular verb. But before we get into these topics, we have to know what is regular verb and irregular verb. Regular verb is a verb that follow a fixed pattern. There is a fixed pattern, and regular verbs are formed by adding d, ed, ied with the base form. Here, like dance, danced. Dance end with the word e. We add with it d. So it becomes danced. Like this answer, we add the word ed with it and the word will be answered. At the same way, asked, asked, clean, cleaned, combed, locked, locked. And irregular verb are verbs there is no fixed, they have no fixed pattern. Okay, they have no fixed pattern. Regular verbs stand, like stand, stood, feed, fed, buy, bought, give, gave, go, went, teach, taught, write, wrote, say, said. Follow these words, student. Follow this word carefully. There is no specific pattern. So, student, complete these sentences with the past tense forms of the action words in the brackets. First one, Priya dash very well. So, in the bracket, here is the word dance. So, student, we know that the past form of the word is danced. So, we can write here the word danced. B, number B, Rajesh dash the telephone. In the bracket we see the word answer. So we need to change this word into past. So from the previous sheet we know that the past form of the word answer is answered. A-N-S-W-E-R-E-D. Number 3, C, the teacher dash question in class. In the bracket the word ask. So at the same way, past form A-S-K-E-D. Kunal and his sister dash the room. Clean. Past form of the word clean, clean. E, number E, Kia dash her hair, comb. So we add ed with it to get past form, comb. Number A, father dash the door. Dash the door, sorry, missing word, open. So sorry, locked. So here is the word locked. In the next example, complete these sentences with the past tense forms of the action words in the brackets. Number A, Preeti dash for a long time at the gate. So in the bracket we see the word stand. So we need to change it into past form. So stand, past form of stand is stood. Mother dashed the birds in the garden last Sunday. Here is the word feed. So past form of feed, fed. C, I dash a balloon from the balloon seller. Here is the word buy. So we write here bought. Number D, father dash me a story book for my birthday. Here is the word give. First from give. Shushan dash to school by bus. In the bracket the word go. So we can write here went. If our teacher dash us how to draw an elephant. Here is the word teach. So first form of the word taught. G. Arjun dash a letter to his grandfather yesterday. So here is the word write. Wrote. Is Naveen dash that he was not feeling well. Here is the word say. So first form of the say, said. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing at home and stay well at home. Thank you for watching this video.